All right, team, a quick video to make sure that we're submitting EDU 404 methods in the right spot for Mr. Rainier's course. So you can see I'm in the elementary ed folio for Taskstream. We've got our list of courses down here. I don't think any of this is new for any of you, but just to make sure that we're not, maybe clicking on the wrong link or something like that. So I'm in the EDU 404 Methods Science folio. We've got the unit plan that I created, which is really nothing at all. It's just an empty document. But I'm going to click Submit Work. And this is what should pop up for you. Submit for evaluation. I'm going to scroll down here. And let's find Rainier. PQR. Rainier. Here we go, Joe Rainier. And then we do submit for evaluation. I'm not going to do that because I don't want him to get submitted to that. So, but anyway, it's just that that should be the spot where we find everything. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And yeah, thanks.